In this video, which will be featuring both day 4 and 5, I will be demonstrating what I eat for my first week on the trail, which isn't very exciting and it's not a lot, but I thought it'd be fun to document what I am having. Okay, time to go to the post office. I sent myself my first box here. There's a bunch of food in there. And there's a pillow I don't need and sandals I don't need. So I'll probably just mail that home. I had a great stay at the tiny house. I iced my legs, elevated them, and I'm not hobbling around this morning, so it makes a big difference if you can put on a cold cloth. First box. Mount Laguna. Well, I got tuna, good for me. A t-shirt that I don't need, I don't know. Sandals that I don't want. Foot cream. I was thinking of everything. Vitamins, yep. A pack carrier. Don't need that. Leukotape. Do you need any more Leukotape?
I've got lots.
I'll take it. Toe warmers, don't need. Pillow, don't need. Moleskin, I have no blisters, happy to say that. Hand sanitizer, I'm gonna use that. Bathroom stuff. Energy bars with caffeine in them.
Yay.
I got that at the dollar store in San Diego. Day 1. Day 2, day 3, and an apple. Awesome. I'm just sitting here collecting my thoughts, thinking about what I should do. I'm betting everybody is at the Pioneer picnic campsite, so that's only 3.8 miles away. It's 20 after 4. I didn't want to hike that much today, but I'm going to continue there. I don't want to tent alone, so 4 miles, that's 7 kilometers. It might take me a couple hours. I should get there by 6:30. Okay, had my snack, changing my socks. I'm gonna carry on. Day 5, tip number 5. If you're gonna camp close to Pioneer Mail picnic area, leave just before sunrise, and you get to see an amazing sunrise as you hike up against these gorgeous rocks. think I figured out the problem of my blister. It's the side of my insole that was rubbing on it. So I used my knife that I took from my partner. I didn't even ask him. He was away. Surprise! I have your knife. Thank you. 10:30. Having some corn chips. This rock is really cold. It's nice. These rocks suck. It's 20 after 7, and I got to this campsite at, I don't know, just after 5, and I decided that's it. I'm staying here. There's one other hiker here, and that's good because I don't want to be here by myself. And I'm right at the water tank. So I hiked 16 miles today. And then tomorrow I go into Julian. I'm gonna get a hotel again. I know I'm spoiled. I haven't decided if I want 1 night or 2. I think, what am I gonna do for 2 nights? But I don't know. I'll figure that out tomorrow if I want 1 or 2 nights. I'm fine with just 1 night and then taking shorter days. Today it wasn't hard per se, but it was exposed and you're up high, not a lot of places to shelter and cool down, and the trail was rocky, so it's a real ankle sprainer. You gotta be careful walking. But the views were amazing. I saw 2 fighter jets flying below me, and I thought, oh, wait, they're below me. So that just tells you how high I was, and it was good. It was really nice. There was people trail running on this trail. I don't know where they came from or where they were going, but they were training for a race. And tomorrow will be good. Tomorrow's a short day. I think I've got 9 miles to do. I'm gonna wake up early and go.